uSibiya utshele inkantolo ukuthi mhla eboshwa ngoNhlaba ka-2020 wayiswa eLithabong. Wafike wahlaliswa esihlalweni somoya eboshwe ngamaketanga.
Mina ngiphinde ngiphendule ukuthi angazi lutho ngokufa kaSenzo Meyiwa.
I then replied by saying I don't know anything about the death of Senzo Meyiwa.
Ila ngoba ngihleli so esitulweni somoya ngihleli so ila angikhahlela khona inyawo bese ngiwela phansi bafaka khona iplastic ngalala ngabheka phansi bafaka iplastic bangcinya la emqolo omunye so bafaka iplastic so abanye benjani bekhona ukungikhahlela emasayidini so.
uSibiya uphinde wadalula ukuthi uBrigadier Genenda wamphoqa ukuthi akhulume, esabisa ngokuthi uma engakhulumi uzodedela amaphoyisa aqhubeke emshaye.
Uthi uzongishiya nalamaphoyisa la ebengishaya aqhubeke engishaye.
He said that he will leave me in the hands of the police officers who had assaulted me before, so that they could proceed in assaulting me further.
Thank you. Mase ephumile uGinenda kuye kwathiwa ngihlale phansi mangihlala phansi la baqala khona bangifaka iplastic futhi emakhaleni.
Kusenjalo abasolwa abahlanu bavele enkantolo yemantshi yaseLidenburg eMpumalanga emva kokuboshwa ngoLwesihlanu olwedlule ngamacala okuhlasela abantu abadabuka eEthiopia baphinde baphanga imali elinganiselwa ku-950,000 rands. Abasolwa abathathu kulaba bangamaphoyisa. Icala lihlehliselwe uLwesihlanu nokulindeleke ukuthi abasolwa befake ngalo isicelo sebheyili.